Did you know that according to recent studies, almost 40% of jobs could be impacted by AI within the next 2 decades? That's huge. As AI continues to advance, many people are asking, will AI eventually take over human jobs? This question isn't just a simple yes or no. It's an important issue, especially now when technology is advancing at a faster rate than ever before. We're seeing AI and automation in almost every field, from customer service to healthcare, even creative fields. It's changing the way we work, and that can be both exciting and worrying. In today's video, we're going to take a balanced look at this topic. We'll explore both sides, how AI could create new opportunities and the risks it may bring to traditional jobs. So stick around, and by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of what the future of work might look like and what that means for all of us. Overview of different viewpoints. Optimistic viewpoint. Let's start with the optimistic view. Many people believe that AI isn't here to replace human jobs, but rather to enhance them. In this view, AI is seen as a tool that can help us work smarter and more efficiently, taking over repetitive or routine tasks so we can focus on more complex and creative work. For example, AI is already creating new job roles that didn't exist before, like AI technicians, data analysts, and machine learning specialists. These are jobs where people need to understand and work with AI, showing that technology can actually open up more opportunities in the job market rather than shutting doors. According to a recent study, AI will likely transform jobs rather than eliminate them. Experts in the field argue that as AI takes on basic tasks, there will be a growing need for skilled workers to manage, analyze, and interpret the work done by these machines. This shift means that instead of job loss, we could see job evolution, where human roles adapt alongside technology, allowing us to do our jobs in new and better ways. Their pessimistic viewpoint. Now, let's take a look at the pessimistic side. Many people are worried that AI could actually take away jobs from humans, especially in fields like manufacturing, customer service, and logistics. In these industries, AI and automation are already replacing roles that involve routine, repetitive tasks. For example, in factories, robots can now assemble products faster than humans, and in customer service, AI chatbots are handling basic inquiries without the need for a human representative. According to the World Economic Forum, millions of jobs could be displaced by AI in the coming years. This means that people working in roles that are easy to automate could find themselves out of work as companies turn to AI for cheaper, faster solutions. Economists and experts warn that if AI continues to replace these jobs, we could face a serious rise in unemployment. Without careful planning and support, entire sectors could be left struggling, and many people might find it harder to make a living. This viewpoint reminds us that while AI has its benefits, there are real risks that need to be addressed to avoid widespread job loss and economic challenges. Implications and consequences of each viewpoint. For the optimistic side. Let's dive into what the optimistic side means for the future. If AI is used to support us rather than replace us, it could lead to big improvements in productivity. This means we could get more done in less time, boosting overall economic growth and making businesses more efficient. When companies and industries grow, it often leads to more jobs and better opportunities for everyone. Another benefit is that AI might encourage something called upskilling and reskilling. This means that, as some tasks become automated, workers can learn new skills to take on different, often more rewarding roles. For example, someone working on repetitive tasks might be trained to manage and analyze AI systems instead. This could help create a smarter, more capable workforce. Finally, with AI handling boring, repetitive tasks, people would have more time to focus on creative and complex work. Imagine a job where you're not stuck doing the same thing every day, but instead you get to use your problem-solving skills and creativity. In this way, AI could actually improve our quality of life, allowing us to spend more time on work that feels meaningful. For the pessimistic side. Now let's talk about the possible downsides. If AI starts taking over more jobs, we could see some serious social and economic challenges. One big concern is that it might increase inequality and widen the income gap. In simple terms, this means that while some people, especially those who own or develop AI, could get richer, many workers might struggle as their jobs are replaced, leading to a bigger gap between the rich and the poor. There's also the psychological impact to consider. If workers constantly worry that AI might take their jobs, it could create a sense of insecurity and stress. This fear of job loss can make people feel unsure about their future. And for some, it might even cause a loss of purpose if they feel their work is no longer valued. Without proper planning and support from industries and governments, AI could lead to higher unemployment rates. If companies rush to use AI without thinking about the people affected, many workers could be left without jobs or options for retraining. This could create even bigger problems, like increased poverty and social unrest. So, while AI has its advantages, we also need to think carefully about how to handle these risks. To wrap things up, let's take a balanced look at everything we've discussed. On one hand, AI has the potential to make our work easier, boost productivity, and create new opportunities for people willing to learn new skills. But on the other hand, it also brings risks, like job loss, greater inequality, and increased stress for workers who may feel their roles are threatened. The truth is, the impact of AI on jobs isn't completely positive or completely negative. It's a mix of both. As AI continues to develop, we need to understand and consider both the good and the bad. So, what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's have a respectful discussion about how we can adapt to these changes and what role we think AI should play in our work lives. How can we make sure AI benefits everyone? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful.